What is up? We are having thunderstorms. It's really been thundering for I don't know how long. Hard rain, wind. This is Spokane for ya. Cause I love Spokane. Like, do I want to post this? Yeah, why not? I'm trying to get 500 videos and I'm almost there. But yeah, other than the thunderstorm, my day's been good. It just had work. Got off at 11. Because I started at 7 until 11. See? Oh, that was a weak one. Hopefully you can hear it. A big one later. Yeah. Other than that, I gotta go home. I had a burrito. 2 burritos, to be honest. But video games. Like always. Okay, I hope you heard that. That's like super loud. But yeah, until next time, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you next time.